So my dear friends, many times people ask me, sir, how to find out a blasting stock? How to find out a stock that will perform heavily during the day? So how you can find out? Now, in the English, there is a saying that morning shows the day. So the same thing we will apply, the same theory we will apply now, and we will find out if we can find out stocks that will move up even before the market opens. So here I will show you how you can use the pre-market data to find out the stocks that will actually perform heavily on the trading day. So I will be showing you how to use a pre-market scan on the Streak website, or rather the Zerodha Streak website. You can use a pre-market scan and you can actually find the stocks that will rally whole day. So I'll show you how you can get 2%, 3%, 4%, 5%, even more profits in intraday using just the pre-market data, using the pre-market scan. And please watch this video till the end, because at the end I have shown you the most deadly trick that you can use with this pre-market scan. So my dear friends, without wasting any further time, let me go to the Zerodha Streak platform where I will be showing you the pre-market scan. So now friends, let us go to the Streak platform. For Zerodha Streak platform, I have created a link so you can remember this link. The link is bit.ly/StreakTech. So it is bit.ly/StreakTech. So you need to remember this link, or if you cannot remember this link, do not worry. I'll give you the link in the video description. So from there you can go to the Zerodha Streak platform like I am going. You can see I have pasted the link on a browser and now I have actually hitting enter. So you can see I am being redirected to the Zerodha Streak platform. So now friends, Streak requires an account in Zerodha. So if you do not have an account in Zerodha, you need to open an account in Zerodha first, because Streak is only associated with Zerodha. The algo platform called Streak is only associated with Zerodha. So if you are not having an account in Zerodha, do not worry, I'll give you the Zerodha account opening link in the video description too. So from there you can open an account in Zerodha first and you can actually log into Streak after that. Now friends, as I am already having an account in Zerodha, so I am directly redirected to the Streak platform and I am logging here with my Kite ID. So here is the option login with Kite. So I am clicking that. You can see I am already logged into my Kite ID. So actually it is not asking for credentials. I am directly redirected to the dashboard. So now friends, I am on the Streak scanner section. Now I will be creating a scanner for myself. So here on the scanners there is an option called create scanner. So I am clicking on that. So now here you can select the scripts to scan. So here are the Nifty 100 stocks. So whatever stocks inside the Nifty 100 index, it will be scanned. Or you can also scan from say Nifty 50 stocks, Nifty 500 stocks, NFO futures, NFO, all NFO equities you can scan for your criteria. Now the time frame I am keeping as 5 minutes, but for the pre-market open candle the time frame is not very necessary over here. Now the chart type is candlestick. Now I will be putting the condition. Suppose I want to find the stocks those were bearish on the pre-market session. So here I will be writing say pre-market, you can see pre-market candle. So pre-market candle close, click on done, plus here lower than, so lower than plus pre-market candle open. Click on done, and suppose there you need to put the scan name. So you can see the pre-market close is lower than pre-market open. So these stocks are bearish stocks. Whichever stocks has shown bearness on the pre-market session, those will be shown here because their pre-market close is lower than pre-market open. Now I am giving the scan name as pre-market. So I have given the scan name, and now I am clicking on scan and save. So I will be scanning from the Nifty 100 stocks, and the time frame is 5 minutes over here, and you can see that anytime you are putting the pre-market scan, the pre-market scan is only available after the market opens, so after 9:15. So now you click scan and save. So you can see there is no stock matching the given criteria. So now let us scan from the Nifty 500 stocks. So click scan and save. You can see these stocks all have made these criteria. They were bearish on the pre-market session. So this is how you can use the pre-market scan. Now suppose we will be trying to find out from Nifty 50 stocks, instead of bearish stocks, suppose we want to find out the bullish stocks. So instead of lower than, we need to simply delete this lower than, and we need to include higher than. So higher than. So pre-market close is higher than pre-market open. So this is the condition now. So you can click on scan and save. You can find out all these stocks were bullish. Now we have seen all these stocks were bullish on the pre-market session. Suppose now we want to add some other conditions. We want to see whether they were bullish after they opened or not. So they were bullish on the pre-market session, but whether they remained bullish after the market opened. So we will be adding another condition. So suppose we will be adding a condition, opening range. So opening range close of first 5 minutes. So click on done. So opening range of first 5 minutes, opening range close was higher than opening range open 5 minutes. So you can see pre-market these stocks were actually bullish because the pre-market close was higher than pre-market open, and 5 minutes opening range close were also higher than 5 minutes opening range open. So where the opening range has opened, the close were also higher on 5 minutes candle. So now we are scanning and saving. Now you can see all these stocks: Adani Ports, Axis Bank, Bajaj Finserv, Baj Finance, BPCL, Coal India, Eicher Motors, Grasim, HDFC Life, ICICI Bank, ITC, JSW Steel, Kotak Bank, Mahindra, Maruti, NTPC, ONGC, Power Grid, then SBI and Tata Motors, Tata Steel, Ultrasemco, UPL, ZL, all actually made this criteria. And you can see, my dear friends, one thing is there. You can see that almost all these stocks has actually, see, the percentage change is quite high. So you can see almost all the stocks, most of them has changed 4%, 5%, more than 3%. All these stocks has changed like this, and they have actually outperformed today's market, because you can see today's market Nifty has actually made a change of 1.60, but our pre-market criteria, these stocks has actually outperformed Nifty. So now suppose let me see how Adani Ports has performed. So let me add Adani Ports and let me open the charts. So there are some studies over here. I am actually deleting all the studies. Just a simple super trend is there. So you can see, my dear friends, this was the first 5 minutes opening range of Adani Ports, and after that this range was around 335 zone, and after that also from 335 till Adani Ports has made a high till 343. So it was a quite good move for Adani Ports. Let us see what other stocks. Suppose Axis Bank. Let me add Axis Bank. So Axis Bank, you can see it has changed 5.83%. Let me open the chart of Axis Bank. You can see, my dear friends, a hopping move. Here was the opening candle of Axis Bank. So if you scan after say 9:20, after the first 5 minutes candle has closed, the opening range has established. So from there Axis Bank was around 422 level at that time. From there Axis Bank has seen a non-stop rally 422 till 439. You can see 440, my dear friends. You can understand the power of these opening range scan. Now, my dear friends, let me check another stock. Suppose Bajaj Finance. So Bajaj Finance, you can see 6.25% change. So let me add Bajaj Finance. So Bajaj Finance I have added. Let me open the chart of Bajaj Finance. Same scenario for Bajaj Finance. You can see it has opened, the opening range was established around 3208. From there it has seen a non-stop rally. The whole day it has seen a rally. So from 3200 mark it has moved till 3350 mark. So 150 points rally it has shown on the same day. So you can understand the power of these pre-market scan. So you can scan and you can find out in this way. So you can use this strategy to find super bullish stocks, because those stocks were actually bullish on the pre-market level as well as they were bullish on the opening range. So after 5 minutes also they have shown a super bullishness, they have shown a bullishness. So the whole day these stocks actually remained bullish. So this is how you can use this streak scan. Now, dear friends, the streak is only associated with Zerodha. So if you want to use streak, you need to strictly open an account in Zerodha, and the account opening link will be given on the video description. And streak is also not free. You will get a 7 days demo. After that you need to purchase using their plans. So my dear friends, I have shown you how you can analyze the pre-market data. You can create a pre-market scan and you can find out the stocks that will perform heavily during the trading day. And I have shown you, I have given you examples. I have shown you 3-4 stocks that has actually performed heavily during the day. So my dear friends, I do come up with these kind of videos twice a week. So if you are not already subscribed to me in YouTube, I will suggest you to hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell notification icon, because in that case you will be receiving my next video updates instantly. And my dear friends, make comments, ask me questions. So in that way I will be understanding what are your requirements. So if you are requesting some specific topics, ask me in the comments. I will try to make a new video on that subject. So make comments, do like this video, share with your friends and relatives, and till we meet on the next video, bye bye.